Topic 1. Robinhood's inclusion in the S&P 500 and its market influence. Robinhood Markets is set to be included in the S&P 500 index on September 22, 2025, thanks to the popularity of cryptocurrencies, which has helped the company recover its profitability and reach record stock prices. After facing challenges post-IPO in 2021, Robinhood's stock closed at $12.74 in 2023, but is now trading above $100 due to a favorable regulatory environment for cryptocurrencies. The company reported earnings of $1.56 per share in 2024, with expectations of $1.64 per share in 2025. Despite facing regulatory scrutiny, Robinhood's stock has risen by 13.8%. Topic 2. Apple's iPhone launch amidst trade tensions with China. Apple is preparing to announce a new iPhone lineup amid global trade tensions. Following Donald Trump's return to the White House, tariffs have been imposed as part of efforts to bring manufacturing back to the US, putting CEO Tim Cook in a difficult position. The new iPhones are expected to continue production in China and India, which has drawn criticism from the Trump administration. While Apple has promised a $600 billion investment in the US, a 25% tariff will still apply to iPhones entering the country, potentially leading to the first price increase in 5 years. The new models are expected to feature improved camera quality and battery life, but will not differ significantly from last year's AI-enhanced models. Topic 3. Federal Reserve's potential interest rate cuts and stock market implications. This article discusses Nebius's announcement of a multi-billion-dollar contract with Microsoft to provide AI infrastructure, resulting in a 60% surge in Nebius's stock price. This marks Nebius's first long-term contract with a major tech company, with expectations for more contracts in the future. Microsoft is collaborating with third parties to address the demand for cloud infrastructure capable of handling AI workloads, having also signed agreements with OpenAI and CoreWeave. While the article does not directly mention the Federal Reserve's potential interest rate cuts, it highlights the growing interest in technology companies and investments. Topic 4. Significant revision in U.S. job growth figures. U.S. job growth figures have been significantly revised, indicating that previously reported job increases may have been overstated or miscalculated. This revision could have important implications for economic analysis and policy decisions, providing a more accurate reflection of the economy's actual state and contributing to a reassessment of future economic policy directions. Topic 5. Geopolitical tensions with Israeli actions against Hamas and Russian attacks in Ukraine. Details for this topic were not provided in the original content. Topic 6. Murdoch family resolves media empire succession issue. The Murdoch family's media empire succession issue has been resolved. Rupert Murdoch and his son Lachlan reached an agreement with other children to settle a legal dispute over control of the media empire. As a result, Lachlan will continue to lead the family's conservative media empire, while his 3 siblings, Prudence, Elizabeth, and James, will step back from the business, each receiving about $1 billion. James has long expressed dissatisfaction with Fox News' right-wing stance and has supported democratic and progressive causes. Although there were discussions about replacing Lachlan, Rupert has backed him and taken steps to strengthen his position. A Nevada court ruled that Rupert and Lachlan acted maliciously, but ultimately, legal discussions led to a settlement. Moving forward, Lachlan and his 2 sisters, Grace and Chloe, will hold shares in a new trust. Topic 7. AI investments and partnerships, driving market movements. AI investments and partnerships are significantly impacting market movements. Companies are leveraging AI technology to enhance competitiveness and create new market opportunities. These investments and collaborations accelerate technological advancements and